Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So for this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your iPhone 15 Pro bricked after iOS 26. So for example, after installing iPhone 26 or iOS 26 beta on your iPhone 15, and suddenly it become faulty, there's going to be a problem. So I have some few things for you to try out of this one, a guarantee way to fix it. Alright? So first thing right now is downgrading from iOS 26 to iOS 18. Because right now, as you can see, if I go back on settings, right there, and then click on general, look for software update, I'm still running iOS 18.5 because iOS 26 is still on beta phase. There's still going to be a lot of fault items on that one, so I'm still going to remain on iPhone 18.5. So how did I do this one? So what you do right here is go back to settings, and in here look for screen time, right there. Look for content, privacy, and restrictions. Make sure that this is turned on. Right? Once that is successfully turned on, you want to look for VPN and management. Let me just click on this one right here, VPN and device management. Now, a disclaimer, since you already saw I'm using iPhone iOS 18, right? I do not have iOS 26 beta as of now. However, if you're running it on your profile on your iOS, it should be here. So click on that one and basically sign it off, enter your passcode, and that iOS 26 beta will be gone on your device. What's the next step? Basically, the next step right now is to go back to settings, click on general. All the way down, there should be a transfer reset. So reset your iPhone to your settings, and that should fix your problem. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.